tomato. Tomato is mainly a self-pollinated plant due to chasmogamy, but certain percentage of cross-pollination also occurs due to when the stigma protrudes outside the level of the anther. The number of flowers per cluster varies from 3 to several. The flowers are actinomorphic, yellow, and bisexual in nature. Emasculation technique in tomato. Emasculation should be done in the evening 4 to 6 pm. That is one day before the anther should be dehisced. First, select this type of bud. The parent selected here is GAT5 as the female parent. Select this type of unopened flower bud. Remove the sepals and petals. Then the undehisced anthers are removed with a pair of forceps. This is the emasculated flower bud. Emasculated flower bud is not bagged, as the flower buds are very fragile and it may break if we bag them. The male parent selected here is Pusa Shrestha. Select this type of flower bud. Anthesis is observed between 6 am to 12 am. Anthesis occurs 1 to 2 days after opening of flower. One flower can pollinate 5 to 7 emasculated flowers at the time of hybridization. Select this type of male flower bud. With the use of forceps, remove the pollens from the anthers and take it on the forceps. The pollens of tomato are very minute and white in color. The pollens are now placed on the emasculated female flower bud. Pollinated flower bud is not bagged due to its fragile nature. We simply label the pollinated flower bud with the help of light-weighted thread so the flower bud does not get dropped off. This is our pollinated flower bud. This is the example of the hybrid tomato fruit, and this is the result of our crossed flower bud. An ideal night temperature for fruit setting is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, and optimum day temperature for fruit setting is 21 to 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius, there is no coloration found in the fruit, and an ideal temperature for red and yellow flower is 18 to 25 degrees Celsius for tomato fruit.